struggling with prop firms? Let's go. No strategy is going to help you as much as the break and retest strategy, guys, especially if you're a beginner, especially if you're intermediate, and even if you're expert level. Of course you know what you're doing, but trust me, this strategy will still take you a long way. I've tried every single strategy out there: SMC, martingale, hedging, trendline strategies, trendline breakouts, whatever you want to call it. Done it all. When I came to this, and of course adding the break and retest with combined with key levels, I don't take the break and retest on its own. I know that key levels are a must. If I don't apply my key levels in a certain way, then my strategy just fails miserably. Now I'm going to be using Euro USD for the example, guys, in this occasion. It's a very famous, notorious currency pair. Why? Because of the zero spread, almost a zero spread, low spreads, tiny spreads, but of course the huge moves. Now I've already drawn my key levels, guys, but if I want to even double a little bit on the key levels, just look for the major rejections, point them out, wherever you see them, just draw them. You can even use, guys, a line chart, right? You can even use a line chart, should also help as well. But it's still, I've seen where the line chart, don't just blindly fully rely on the line chart. But you can even see, guys, rejections here, right? Now entries are a different ball game. I'll be touching on entries as well. But if I just go back to the candles, and to the smaller time frame, so what we'll do is we'll just start from here. Now I'll just tell you something about myself. I've backtested my strategy more than 500 days. This is on the 4-hour time frame. One blue line to blue line is 1 week, so you can see how much data I've collected. And then I always like to just put all the data on Microsoft Excel. Just keep everything over here. By the way, hit that like and subscribe, guys, share, comment. I reply to every single one of my comments. And also, if you want to join the one-to-one mentorship program, mentorship by myself, this is the funded certificates are posted by myself on the students. This was phase 2, passed in 1 day. This was phase 1, passed in 1 day. And of course you can see my other previous YouTube videos. I'm passing 50k accounts in 1-2 days, some even in 1-2 trades, phase 1s, phase 2s, and testimonials, they never lie. There's a different students here just leaving what they have to say about the mentorship program. And of course I post my live trades in front of 760 members in the group. Live trades go here, and whether we win or we lose, then it's winning trades be posted here and the losing trades be posted here. So full transparency. Now this is the mentorship. This only opens up once you are in. As you can see here, stop loss hit 0.5%, we move on. Session breakdowns. Now this section here, guys, is of course where I post the videos. As you can see here, only focus on key levels. So if you want to learn, guys, the video link will be in the description. Come say hi, even if you just want to join. And direct message me and just get yours, fast track your trading journey. Now coming back to the point. Okay, so even if we look at according to statistics and data and all that, so only 1 out of 20% of our day traders are consistently profitable. That is insanely low number, guys. As 1% are able to maintain profitability for more than 5 years, which is again insane. According to Trade Society, 40% of futures day traders quit within 4 months, 80% within a year, and only 7% last 5 years or more. That is crazy. However, not all of the 20% who last more than a year are profitable, only persistent. So I just typed in how many people succeed in trading, and here around 1 to 20% are profitable, earn a profitable margin at the end of the day. It's insane, guys. It just shows that it is one of the hardest things you can do. Myself, I've been doing this for the last 8 years, never gave up. Wanted to give up 4 times, we just kept on going. Now here, drawn out the major key levels. This is for Euro USD. So let's go into entries now. This is not the exact same break and retest I show in my mentorship program, but again, my whole goal is just to simplify trading, guys. Trading is what I love to do. It's super simple, keeps me I never have to work again for someone a day in my life again. But let's just take it one trade at a time. Suppose we're on the phase 1, right? Suppose we're on the phase 1. Let me break this down here, and let's go to a small time frame so we can clearly see there is a break. Right now, this shows how, I only teach this, by the way, guys, in my mentorship program, how to accurately draw the key levels as possible. As you can see here, this is a perfect example. What do you see here? I get the break here of the key level or the zone, whatever you want to call it. Look at these candles here. Do any of the candle bodies close above my key level? Zero. None. They perfectly respect it. They try to break through, and then no, it's having none of it. The seller just tanked the market, and you can just take the sell. I would just take the sell after this candle. Why? Because of this huge bullish candle, they would have looked like a bullish candle. That's why it came up here in the first place. It just comes back down and closes below, and then I just take my entry, and now I know that, okay, even that much volume couldn't do anything to the key level. After the candle closed, I would just take the sell, and then you let market do everything else, and this would have given a nice, how much was this? A nice 1 to 7. Imagine that, guys. 1% there, and you're already 1% away from passing phase 1. Crazy. Let's go forward. If you look at the by the way, I don't trade in Asian session, only in London and New York session. That's why I tell my students as well in the one-to-one mentorship program. So now let's keep going. Now we've got a breakout here, right? Look at this. It's a breakout here, but I'm getting no rejection or retest, so I'm not interested at all. Price comes back up. Now let's look at this. Let's go to the smaller time frame where we get a bit more clarity. Okay, now look at this. Now what's the difference between the breakout here, there's a breakout here, there's a breakout here? What's the difference? Look at these two here. This is double tops, where they normally say, this is why I don't sell at resistance and I don't buy at support. Here, yeah, you can clearly see resistance being respected. Bullish candle, then a bearish, bullish candle, then a bearish, bullish candle here for the breakout, but then another bullish candle here. Price comes back down, and then just shoots higher. But even look at the look at the level of the breakout, the way the volume in the candle is beautiful. Confluence, high confluence candle. I'll wait for it to come back near my key level again, and boom, price just shoots up higher and higher, and this would again 1 to 6.5. That's the insane. That would be like what, phase 1 and phase 2 pass if you could trade them both together with one trade, right? Imagine you could actually do that. That would be insane. But I don't think they'll ever allow that. Prop firms also only survive off traders failing, right? So anyways, market keeps going. We get the huge breakout here, and one moment, this is not okay. Huge breakout here, so even supposed to be down here, and then but it just tanks, and here it would hit your stop loss. So you're down 1%. It's part of the game, right? It's part of the game. Now if if let price keep going, now look at this here. This is London Open. This price breaks through, price comes back up. I will not take the sell because it's a bullish candle. It's an engulfing bullish candle. I don't like it. It's not enough confluence for me. Now market again, so keep going. Just zoom out a bit. Just one moment. Now this is something, guys, I only teach in my mentorship program. Let me just bring it back up to, as you can see, I'm not going too far back with the Euro USD. Now one thing I show in the mentorship program, guys, is consolidation. There are ways with my strategy, the way I trade it. It gives hints when consolidation is about to start, and obvious ways of knowing when consolidation has finished and it's time to start trading again. Now here, there's consolidation here as well. Now if I just show, there's even an possible entry here. Let me just look at that. Yeah, I can just tell. Just even like I'll even show you actually. So there's a entry here. Let me just put this. So I'll even put these out while I go along with you guys, right? So what I'll just put on playback. Now imagine if you're a beginner trader, you don't know that anything about trading. Now look, huge bullish volume. This is at 2:45. I'm guessing this is most likely news. Now this time here, guys, is 6:30. Now in the UK, London Open is around 8 a.m. I think this was in March time, so this would have been a 7 a.m. here, and volume kicks in. Let me just turn on the indicator. Let's see if yeah, see that this is London session blue. London volume kicks in, comes breaks above. Again, look at the accuracy of my key levels, guys. Breakout, and it's respecting my zone. Look how perfectly respecting my key level as well. Price breaks above and it just shoots in my direction. Now the win rate with this strategy is not as high as it's looking over here, guys. The win rate with my strategy, the way I've refined my break and retest, is much more simpler, much more cleaner, and much more easier as well. Here I can see another entry potential here, but this of course would be a loss. I'm guessing this would have been news. Let me see the time, 1:30. Yes, this is normally in the UK, it's normally news time, so that would be a loss, but it's okay. The risk to reward is on our side. I mean, even if I look at this here, let's go off this over here. If I draw this like this, if I draw this like this, okay, if I let me just fill out this one more, guys. As I can see clear, I don't have to go on smaller time frames. I can just spot this, right? Get the clean breakout, price just absolutely tanks. Another one I'm seeing right now straight away is over here, simple break and retest, guys. Simple break and retest, huge breakout here, price does come back down. I mean, that's insane. That's too much of a huge big move. Me personally, I would like the other candle to come down and show me some kind of rejection. Let me just look at another one. There's one over here as well. This was a breakout, but this, in fairness, is only fair to, I mean, it's a 1 to 3.8. Would we take compared to the other ones? I mean, if you're taking partials and all that, but you know what, in fairness, compared to all this, if I'm taking all these winners, it's only fair to mark this as a loss. Consolidation happens here. You have to know when to have patience and when to call it quits for the day. You know, that's a skill itself. And my advice would be, if you know, if you've had enough for the day, guys, if you gain enough profits or gain enough losses, move over. Another key level. I'm not refined this nowhere near, just giving a little bit of a quick you know, see one here. Let's see a breakout. This can go further. Let's go on a small time frame so you get a better idea what I'm talking about. Let's zoom backwards, and I mean, just look at the simplicity of the strategy, guys. I get my breakout. I'm going to small time frame. I get my breakout, right, and this is what I teach day in and day out in the mentorship program. I get my breakout, and look at this, look at this. You're probably thinking, well, where's the retest, where you know what I mean, what this. I get my breakout, price turns bearish, closes below, huge breakout. Now look at this. Now there's two entries I can take this from. One is from the high of the wick, right? I'm still gonna look for, it's not the cleanest though, and one is this area. It's the high of the candle or high of the wick. Me personally, I would just, you know, take it from here. Now again, this is not the exact how I teach my break and retest. This is not even the exact break and retest that I show because the way I show in my mentorship program 1-to-1 and obviously in the group sessions as well, it's more refined, and you'll have much higher accuracy as well, guys, and the entries are much cleaner. Now if I go over to, I mean, if you had days like this, you can't do anything and price just tanks, guys, and you know, there's nothing really much you can do. But the whole idea behind this, guys, key levels, they're here for a reason, right? They're here for a reason. All these lines, I'm not just, you know, decide to pop this the lines over here. These numbers matter. They're here for a reason, you know, and I just go off you know, the numbers, and yeah, everything plays out in my favor. Now it gives me a strong edge in the market. Now coming back here to the mentorship, guys, you know, I've had traders you know, from all, I've got, even in the mentorship program, traders from all across the globe, and you know, it's just, I mean, even this testimonial group was only made a few days ago, and just to still have like some students just becoming like this one here, more you know, 200k plus funded. This one here caught a 1 to 17 RR in 2 days. I am up 17 RR in 2 days, which is insane, and he joined like within 2-3 days of joining, he did this. And you can even go through this all. I just try to show full transparency, guys, live trades, losing trades, and in the mentorship, obviously there's videos as well. It's like to say, you're the sum of 5 people that you surround yourself with. So surround yourself with profitable traders, a positive community, and that's what it's all about at the end of the day. Now, you know, me personally, what do I get out of this? I'm just trying to build a community, guys, of profitable traders, and it's a large community of profitable traders. But just to, my mission is, guys, even the core message of my YouTube channel is to simplify trading. That's it. That's what I'm just trying to show, guys. Nothing more, nothing less. I'm making money. I'm profitable for the last few years, and I've been doing this for a long time. I'm always going to be doing. I've got the side. I've been, you know, trading has been a vehicle for me that I've been able to create other sources of income as well outside of trading. So but at the same time, guys, if I'm able, and I try to, you know, provide my mentorship, you know, at an affordable price. What's my offering thousands if I say I'm trying to help you know, the average person who's doing a 9 to 5, but on their monthly salaries, like, or monthly wages, like what, 1500 1600 in the UK, and or depending wherever you are in the world, and then I'm offering them like 5 grand for mentorship. That's insane. Then that clearly shows as well where your agenda is. But yeah, I hope this video is helpful, insightful. If you're looking for the 1-to-1, guys, send me a message, direct message me. By the way, guys, a lot of scammers out there. people making fake profiles of myself. So this is my profile, this is my username, Don Aslam, you know, and yeah, just come say hi even, guys. Yeah, make sure my profile looks like this. Now you're getting a few, I'm getting a few people trying to, but it's like putting a dot at the full stop at the before my name, or a dash at the back of my or double M, or double A. This is my username, guys, Don Aslam. Nice and clean, just my name. Yeah, so hope this video is helpful, guys, insightful. Take care, and I'm out.